Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi 14C. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on wherever you want to. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up. And decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!